A 1,000-ton nacelle. The floating tower top 157 meters up. Landing it is the easy part. A jack-up crane does the lowering, so the approach is calm and controlled. Between the hook and the load, one CYGNUS passive heave compensator, 1,250 tons, 3 meters of travel, gas charge to hang at 2.5 meters of stroke, ready to work in both directions. Touchdown at 0.18 meters per second. Impact factor 1.02. Soft, but that was never the hard part. The moment the weight transfers, the foundation itself starts to sink. Rigid rigging lifts back off the flange 30 times during the bolt-up. The CYGNUS instead pays out to its 1.2-meter latch and keeps 672 tons on the crane through the settlement, through every wave, without going slack once. Every cell of the screening matrix passes every screen, 25 of 25. One gas charge, 2 working points, that is passive heave compensation, done honestly. Norwegian dynamics.